doing? Ew, Kiwi! Gross! I don't know how she did it! She did it again! You did it again! Why do you keep doing this?
Someone decided to wake me. Not sleeping.
Well, we didn't know I was colorblind until the 5th grade. I went to a science fair, and I asked my teacher what the pictures of the Petri dishes were all about, and why one of them was in the number 5.
Who's a bird? Who's a bird? Who's a pretty bird? It's Angus.
Oh, look and see.
It's me. You help me out? You help me out? Yeah.
Do you want me to call her? Or text her? I'm just gonna do what